Of the coconut, it's like that little rib.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like coconut, but it's got the same texture. It tastes like food.
It is kind of nutty though, isn't it? That's kind of crazy. That's really good. I love it. I love Conch right now. That's about as fresh as you can get right there.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Yeah, me too.
You said you ate the whole thing. What is that?
Pistol.
Yeah. Aphrodisiac.
Just help me out with it.
That's everybody's reaction.
My Lord, two eyes.
That's the mouth? How do you know it's a female? Because of that.
That opens when they mate.
Oh. So the male got a little dingling?
Yep. No.
Oh my gosh. Made it. You just,
Oh.
yeah, okay. Yeah, pretty obvious.
That is there. It is there. It is, yeah. That's a snake.
That's the female.
All right.
This is the intestine, their stomach.
You don't eat that then, right?
You use this for bait, chunk.
Oh, okay.
I prepared it, set it, put it in my cage. Wait a minute, I sit them down, the legs snap aside. Boom, 20 minutes.
Wow. Easy fishing.
Easy. Yeah, man, I put one of them coolers. It takes me all day to clean. That's why I make one set come. Now, just the bubby. The Indians call it the bubby. Yeah, man, this is good. Make salad. Top of this thing. Some got good teeth, so they come and get blow up the bubby salad. They come out and get them and tear them and they clean them and cut them up. But if you boil it, it's much better. Tenderize. Then you can put it in soup. Make the bubby salad. Stew it. Steam it. Conch bubby and rice. Conch bubby and curry. Anything you can do. Now this is clothes you gotta take off. Top. Everything go in that middle bucket we use.
Okay. The middle one?
Everything go in there we use.
Okay.
All right. This is eggs again. Have to take can water. Now, fortunately, being that fortunate today, these just create pearls.
Pearls.
Yeah, man. Really? They just create pearls. If it was any, it'd be right there. Right in this. You'll see the bump, you know? The sand gets stuck, and the sand creates their own pearls.
Okay.
That's like the oyster.
That is cool.
See right there. Right, Ryan one now. I'll jump for sure.
Yeah.
They're very real. Oh, and they costly. Yeah, man. You got a nice, pretty big one. You got one 5 man.
Wow.
Oh, boy,
Nice.
I'm shooting.
That's right. That's right.
Look at the fun girls.
It's very real.
Very
I find they one for the year. And it's how I'm going on now. Yeah. When you see me open up one of account like that, I just stop. But you know, lock with the thing. Now, that's just the count. Nobody want to try another thing.
I'm gonna go have salad.
Yeah.